Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English with Ayan. Today, Emma and I will help you learn 20 simple and real English conversations for beginners. After each conversation, we will explain vocabulary and give slow practice. So relax, listen carefully, and repeat after us. Let's begin. Conversation 1. Greeting. Hi, Emma. How are you?
I'm good, Ayan. How are you?
Vocabulary. Good. Fine. How are you? Asking about someone's feelings. Examples. I'm good today. How are you this morning? Practice. Repeat after us. Hi, Emma.
I'm good.
Conversation 2. Names. What's your name?
My name is Emma. What's your name?
My name is Ayan. Nice to meet you. Vocabulary name. What people call you. Example. My name is John. Practice, what's your name? My name is. Conversation 3. Weather. It's sunny today.
Yes, it feels very nice.
Vocabulary sunny. Bright sunlight. Examples. It is sunny outside. I like sunny weather. Practice. It's sunny today. Conversation 4. Emma, what time is it?
It's 8:30 a.m., Ayan.
Vocabulary time. Hour of the day. Examples. What time is the class? It's 10 o'clock. Practice. What time is it? Conversation 5. Hungry. Emma, are you hungry?
Yes, Ayan, just a little.
Vocabulary hungry. Wanting to eat examples. I'm hungry now. Are you hungry? Practice. Are you hungry? Conversation 6. Age. Emma, how old are you?
I'm 17. How old are you, Ayan?
I'm 18. Vocabulary old. Age example. I am 20 years old. Practice. How old are you? Conversation 7. Hobbies. What do you like to do, Emma?
Like music. What about you, Ayan?
Like reading. Vocabulary. Like. Enjoy examples. I like drawing. I like watching movies. Practice. What do you like to do? Conversation 8. At a shop. Emma, how much is this?
It's $5.
Vocabulary. How much? Asking the price. Examples. How much is the bag? It's cheap. Practice. How much is this? Conversation 9. Help Emma. Can you help me?
Sure, Ayan. What do you need?
Vocabulary help. Assist example. Can you help me, please? Practice. Can you help me? Conversation 10. Wake up. What time do you wake up, Emma?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
That's early. Vocabulary, wake up. Open eyes. Examples. I wake up late. Practice. What time do you wake up? Conversation 11. School. Emma, do you like your school?
Yes, I do. It's nice.
Vocabulary like. Enjoy example. I like my class. Practice. Do you like your school? Conversation 12. Plan. Do you want to meet today, Emma?
Yes, Ayan. Let's meet at 5 p.m.
Vocabulary meet. See someone. Example. Let's meet tomorrow. Practice. Do you want to meet? Conversation 13. Health. Emma, are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay. Just a little tired.
Vocabulary tired. Low energy. Example. I feel tired today. Practice. Are you okay? Conversation 14. Tea. Do you want tea, Emma?
Yes, please.
Vocabulary. Please, polite word. Example. Water, please. Practice. Do you want tea? Conversation. 15. Bus. When is the bus coming, Emma?
The bus is coming in 10 minutes, Ayan.
Vocabulary bus. Public vehicle. Example. The bus is late. Practice. When is the bus coming? Conversation. 16. Movie Emma. Did you watch the movie?
Yes, Ayan, it was great.
Vocabulary great. Very good example. The film was great. Practice. Did you watch the movie? Conversation. 17. Directions. Emma, where is the shop?
It's straight ahead.
Vocabulary straight. Forward example. Go straight. Practice. Where is the shop? Conversation. 18. Phone call. Emma, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you clearly.
Vocabulary. Hear. Listen. Example. I hear you well. Practice. Can you hear me? Conversation. 19. Favorite food. What's your favorite food, Emma?
I love pizza.
I love it too. Vocabulary favorite. Most liked example. My favorite food is pasta. Practice. What's your favorite food? Conversation. 20. Goodbye, Emma. I have to go now.
Okay, Ayan, see you later.
Vocabulary. See you later. Goodbye. Practice. See you later. Thank you for watching. Practice these conversations every day. And don't forget to like and subscribe to English with Ayan.
See you in the next lesson.